Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Lenovo Tab Extreme. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up. Just click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. And click on Close in white pop-up at the top. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. And Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories available at the top, you can pick multiple files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times. Then access your files. When you're ready, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Nextly, click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Lenovo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at this code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, hit Receive and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!